that all advisors were cut by at least 50%. Today, some I only have one advisor. My predecessor had two. So that is how much we have.
But that advice is enough, no?
I don't know whether it is enough, but I'm surviving.
Okay.
Welcome back to Havana Media. My name is Celestine Wendia. I'll be your host for today, and we will be talking about an action that has left many Kenyans waiting to see how it is going to pan out. Because lawyer Vincent Lempaa filed a petition at Milimani Law Courts, which is supposed to stop the president from appointing more advisors. He says that the constitution does not say how many advisors a president is supposed to have, whether you're supposed to have 5. It has not stated clearly that is the number you're supposed to have, that is the maximum or the minimum. And he said that those that he has right now are enough. Because Ruto had come forward and said that he is going to cut his number of advisors into half. And since then, the number has raised from 10 to 17. So he didn't cut anyone out, he just added more. And they are being paid salaries, getting allowances, or newer money as a taxpayer. And you would think someone having so many advisors would actually get the job done. How many does he actually need to tell him he needs to work for us? He needs to serve his people. How many? And I feel like Lempaa took such a bold step and did that. And he said that those that are in office right now, 21 of them should not be given salaries. They should remain like that until the court decides what to do. 21 advisors? I feel like those are too many. And Badi had also said some time back that the president has many advisors. And when he was asked how many that he should have, he said that the ones that he has himself are serving him. And he doesn't need more or less.
Government?
Advisory.
You are asking about president advisors?
Yes.
I don't have authority to hire advisors for the president. Some, you know, I don't want us to go beyond my paycheck.
No. Your estimates. I'm talking about your estimates. Waziri, 1.246 billion shillings.
The law allows the president.
Uh-huh.
The law allows the president
to hire
advisors.
How many?
And by the way, there is no provision in terms of numbers. The people of Kenya didn't give.
Do you
what
recall?
The people of Kenya did was to allocate to the president the maximum number of cabinet. But in terms of advisors, if you go to the law, it is left open.
There was a circular published by your predecessor to cut government advisors by 50%. Not them, but reduce government advisors by 50%.
That has been done.
Does that affect
religiously?
Does that affect the presidency?
That circular did not affect presidency because cabinet secretary for treasury cannot issue a circular to the president.
Even when it's a government position?
You cannot. The government position that is binding to the entire government, including the office of the president, is a circular from the office of the president. From national treasury, it's at that level. That one.
So who'd send the circular from the office of the president?
If you make that mistake, you'd be running a chaotic government.
So who'd send the circular from the office of the president?
Either the president himself, or he can use the president has head of public service who issues circulars.
Do you know that he actually communicated about that circular, the head of public service?
About?
That circular of cutting the number of advisors.
And that has been implemented.
Felix Koskei communicated that.
That has been implemented, Sam.
But you're saying he's the only one who can give an instruction that affects the office of the president.
So now the question you are asking me is why the president is not respecting circular Felix Koskei.
That's a good question.
No, I think Sam, that one will be debating throughout the night.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's stick to what is within my paycheck.
Okay.
And it is this, that all advisors were cut by at least 50%. Today, Sam, I only have one advisor. My predecessor had two. So that is how much we have.
But that advice is enough, no?
I don't know whether it is enough, but I'm surviving.
Okay.
I have technical people who are supporting me, so I am okay.
I think at that time it just came off as a joke, but it's not a joke anymore where 21 people are being given such a large amount of money. Vincent went ahead and said no public consultation, because I bet many people don't even know how many advisors the president has right now. Many people don't even know if he has advisors. It's only had rarely. They are brought up on rare occasions. The public isn't even aware that he has so many. Vincent said they were not included. Public participation or public involvement was not done when he was appointing the 21 of them. Ruto had said some time back that he is going to cut on the number of advisors that he has. But to me, when I do the calculation, the number is rising instead of dropping. And he has told us a lot of things that he is going to do for us as a country over the number of years he has been in power. And we can tell, we can even see how much he has done for us. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Share your thoughts on these many advisors that he has and whether they have done their jobs to serve a country. I have been your host, Celestine Wandia. Subscribe for more updates.